Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, thetradingnomad.com. I travel, I trade the foreign currency exchange market. It's a free app. You can get a free broker account, and the trade I'm giving you, free. They all win. They all make money. Greatest trader of all time. Here I am. You can see we did the latest trade. I'll show you the trade. We'll jump over to the free Telegram group. I'll show you how I'm posting and publishing this stuff. It's so easy. If you don't know how to download a free app, if you don't know how to enter a buy or a sell trade in the foreign currency exchange market, if you don't know how to get a broker account, just comment. I'll do a video the next day. I'll do a full training. I'm assuming that most of this stuff can be figured out. What can't be figured out by 99.99999% of people is how to win at this game. How to enter a buy trade or a sell trade and have it end in a profit. Here, our latest trade that I gave away. It's currently Friday, July 31st here, 1:36 p.m. Market closes in a few hours. End of the week, end of the month. I don't know what you made, because it's dependent on your bid. You won't make what I make, because I probably have a larger account than you. Start out for free on a demo account. Practice. You'll get a real feel for it. You can set up a demo account relevant to the account size that you would actually trade in real life. So, anyway, $1,915 of profit. I called this trade out for free in the group. Let's check it out on Telegram here. Here we are. Here it is right in the middle of the screen. I said buy. AUDNZD. You see the screenshot right there, and I say buy now. Pretty simple. You just hit the buy button. The only thing you have to do is change your bid based off of your account size. Here you can see my bid. I did a buy at 12. That's $120 per pip. You can bid as little as 10 cents. If you have a smaller account, you can bid less. A win is a win is a win. I don't care if you make $1, $100, $1,000, or thousands of dollars like I typically do. So, posted a video. You can come to the channel, get access to my video. I made kind of a little bit of a tongue-in-cheek post here. I said, airborne pips. I'm a pilot. I was out flying while I was profiting in the forex market. Nonetheless, you can go watch that if you want. And here's the end of the chat. I said, and I did this at 1:24 a.m. my time, Eastern time. I said, this was literally about, I'd have to look back. It's a half a day. Few hours passed when I said enter the trade. I got out $1,915 of profit. And if I take you over to the account real quick, we'll go back and forth here. If I take you over there, you can see that's what I made. Like this is real. I can look at the account data. These aren't screenshots. None of this is fake. This is real. It's just simply real. And you can jump into what I'm showing you here for free. So back to the Telegram group. I post this stuff on a daily basis, on a regular basis. Now, I have a paid subscription group, which is just side tangent to this, and it's like a few dollars a month, and I just give you more trades. You can take more trades. You can make more profit, more passive profits. You enter when I tell you to enter, you get out when I tell you to get out, and there's no crazy complicated stuff here. Watch this. If I go back to the account, here's what we don't do. You will see every what I call crazy person on the internet doing exactly this. They go look at the chart. They maybe zoom in, zoom out, all of this craziness. And they just show you a chart. If you like what I'm doing and you like forex, foreign currency exchange, you're going to go out. You're going to go, oh, is this for real? What are other? You're going to start seeing more of this stuff. And you're going to see people looking at charts. We don't look at charts. I glance at the chart. I have a notification system that tells me probably when I should enter. And then I look and go, that looks pretty damn good based off my experience. And I hit the button on my mobile device. You get the trade. I take the trade. I show the profits. It doesn't get any easier to be able to increase your lifestyle, create more freedom in your life. Maybe you want to travel like I do. I went and bought a towable RV and I just cruise around. I'm in Michigan right now, hanging out with the family. Usually do that for the summer. If you're interested, when I start traveling this year, 2026, I think I'm going to head to Arizona. Usually spend time around the Phoenix area. I go to Yuma. And where do I love to stay? Havasu. I like to stay in Lake Havasu. Like, it's incredible. And then I go to Vegas for about a month. And then I slowly make my way back to the East Coast, Midwest, I should say. I just do it every year. So follow along. I'll show you my travels, but this is how I fund it. We're looking at a chart here. That's the longest I've ever looked at a chart in my life. So I'm going to give you some free game here. This is a member trade. I told people to sell NZD USD. What's interesting is Friday, the price is pulling back. We're using about $340 we're using the money. We're not at a loss. We didn't lose anything. We're using this money to trade. It was up a few $100 last night, but I was like, I know this thing's going farther. So you wait next week, maybe Sunday night, maybe Monday, maybe Tuesday. We'll see. I will show you a profit on this trade. I'm putting you on game here. This is what a member would get. This trade is what a member would get. So back to the history. Let's finish out with this. You can see $1,915 on this trade. Are you ready to get your mind blown? I'm going to show you the history for the week. You ready to get your mind blown? I click this. I go to last week. So this looks back for the last week worth of trading I made with the trades that I took. Not one loss. Look, they're all blue. That means it's in profit. I made $7,251.24 on my account, taking my trades. You could earn a profit. You could. No promises, no guarantees. I don't know what you're going to do. Maybe you hit buy when you should have hit sell. Maybe you bid too much for your tiny little account. I don't know. But with a week or so worth of practice, a couple weeks worth of practice, it took me 10 years to figure this out. A couple weeks worth of practice with a free app, a free broker account, and a free demo account, and you just place my trades willy-nilly like a little monkey on a computer. You hit your thumbs. You see my thumbs? You hit buy or sell, whatever I tell you to do, and that's what I made. You could make anywhere from a couple dollars to as much as you want and as much as you're willing to risk based off of the amount that's in your account. Again, you can start completely for free. And if you don't know how to do this stuff, I better see you in the comment section here on YouTube asking the questions. I will give you everything. I don't like to sit here and just do training every day. I'm going to show you that I'm killing it and I'm living my life of freedom. That's really what this is about. Do you want to sit in front of a chart all day guessing where the price is going to go? I don't think you do. So all you have to do is go to my Telegram channel, thetradingnomad.com. And again, I just post over and over and over. I posted every one of those trades. I posted every bit of profit. I do a video like this on a regular basis. I try to do it every day. You know what? Frankly, sometimes I don't feel like doing it. I'm just out in the pool, or I'm flying my airplane, or whatever I'm doing, riding a motorcycle, going out for margaritas with my family, like whatever I want to do. I would think you maybe want to do the same thing. Hit me up in the comments. Say something, and I'll give you his best guidance, custom training, whatever you need. I'm not a financial advisor. If you don't pay attention to this stuff, if you don't do what I'm saying you should do, I don't know, you probably could lose money. On the other side of it, I don't. So if you do what I do, maybe you could do pretty well with it. That's it. Total week recap here, Friday, July 31st. And I'm just going to go enjoy my life today as well as you should. And you can if you'll follow along with what I'm showing you to do. That's it. Hope to see you in the comments. Take care. I'll see you next week.